Hey everyone, thank you so much for checking out our listing for our Superformance Mark III Cobra. I'm going to do a cold start. I'm about to start it up for you guys, let you hear it run for the first time. It hasn't been started in about 3 or 4 days. It is cold natured, so it may take a second or two to get it started, and it idles a little rough until you get some heat in it, but once you get it warmed up, it runs great. So I'm going to reach down here with my hand and I'm going to touch the exhaust manifold. I wouldn't be doing that if it was hot. I've got my hand on it right now, touching the valve cover. You know, everything is cold. It's been sitting here. So let's get it started up.